The last sitting of the hearing on the application for mandamus by Rochas Okorocha for INEC to issue him certificate of return after the returning officer declared him winner of the IMO West Senatorial elections held on the 23rd of February 2019. There was a mild drama where counsel to Osita Ozinaso of APGA, barrister Ojinwafo Orizu, argued that the court cannot continue with the matter without deciding the application of the 4 new interested parties. And while the argument on whether to hear the interlocutory application by Rochas Okorocha or to admit the new interested parties, the judge, Justice Taiwo Taiwo, informs INEC's counsel, Barrister Wendy Kuku, that INEC is the cause of the litigation, that why would INEC fail to issue certificate of return after declaring a candidate winner of an election. The judge also says he believes that he has jurisdiction on the matter, while the preliminary objection on jurisdiction is not ripe for argument. Taking cognizance of the 2 positions held by Justice Taiwo Taiwo, Barrister Ojinwafo Orizu, in an application to the court, asks Justice Taiwo to disqualify himself on the grounds that he has already taken side. After counsel representing all the parties announced their appearances on Wednesday and believing that the case will go on, Justice Taiwo, in a ruling, agrees with Barrister Nwafo Orizu, representing Osita Ozinaso of APGA. He withdraws himself from the matter as he returns the case file to the Chief Judge for the assignment to another judge. Speaking to journalists after the proceedings, counsel applaud the judge's decision.
I want it to be understood from a proper perspective, like I said. The accusation for me, or why we're asking for reassignment for me, is not because the judge has an opinion. A judge must have an opinion and a view. But it's because he said it before we were heard. If he allowed us for the case to be heard, it's an experience the judge will learn from. If he said it for us, if we had finished our submission and he gave a ruling, if we were dissatisfied, we go on appeal. We're not attacking his person, but we're saying that the ordinary man cannot understand why a judgment in which he is involved, we're talking about jurisdiction of the court, we're talking about certificate of return, and the judge in your presence and in the open court said that he has jurisdiction and that the certificate, he doesn't see why INEC will not return the certificate. That was talking too early and too premature. That is the basis of our own application for the case to be transferred. And we are grateful that the CJ of Federal High Court did so.
Rochas Okorocha and other candidates at the IMO West Senatorial contest will have to wait patiently for the Chief Judge to reassign the matter to another judge. Joseph Kadiri, ITV News, Abuja.